Welcome to SaadX. Today we are simplifying two expression. First one. Here is a fraction in numerator root 98 plus root 18 divide root 98 minus root 18. So it's not so hard, but we have to careful about how we simplify this one. Look, against this root 98 we have to find out the perfect square. What does means? Look, 98, once we divide by 2 we will get 49. This 49 is a perfect square, so we can write 49 times 2, okay, then square root minus 18, so 9 times 2, okay. Similar, root 49 times 2 minus, in here is plus, minus 9 times 2, okay. Now look, we know root AB, we can write root A times root B, so this one root 49 times root 2 plus root 9 times 2. Similar, root 49 times root 2 minus root 9 times root 2, okay. We are trying to find out the result step by step, no need any confusion. So root 49 means 7 and here is root 2 plus root 9 means 3 and here is root 2. Similar, 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, okay. Now look, root, here is 7 root 2 plus 3 root 2, so we can write 10 root 2 and here is 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, it means 4 root 2, okay. So we can omit this one root 2 and root 2 and 10 and 4 we write, so 10 divide 2 is a 5, 4 divide 2 is a 2, so we will get 5 by 2. This is an improper fraction. This one we can write 2 1 by 2. It's a mixed fraction and this is our answer, okay. So very simple, and this video, this is our bonus math, but very important, so be careful about this thing. Small math never neglect. So square root of 1600 percentage equals to x by 10. So we know percentage we can write 1 by 100, right? Similar, this one we can write, here is square root 1600 times square, against this percentage we can write 1 by 100, right, equals to x by 10, okay. So have any confusion, please clear your confusion. So we can divide this one by 100, so 0 and 0, 0 and 0 out, here is square root 16 equals to x by 10. So root 16 is a 4 and here is x by 10. Now very simple, as per cross multiplication, x equals to 4 times 10 is a 40 and this is our answer. So this is very simple to math, but very important for any kinds of competitive math exam practice. So no more today, please subscribe my channel, and by this channel every day you will get lots of math challenge for math Olympiad practice, SAT practice or IGCSE exam practice. So no more today, don't forget subscribe the channel and also please share with your friends. Thank you.